Now, named presentations are pretty neat, and I'll just show you one. What they're designed to do is when you work in a 3D model, you're going to want to show, for example, a door. A door in a plan view needs to look like what you see here with the symbol for the door and showing just the door sweep. If it's in a front view or an elevation, it needs to actually, and it's tough to see, but it needs to be a 3D rendered door with a doorknob on it. And then if it's just a 3D symbol, maybe it just needs to look like what you see here, like a slab, okay? But I want to display it sort of 3 different ways. And we can do that with a function called name presentations. I'm going to jump back to MicroStation because I'm just going to show you that really quick. Let me kill some of this. And let's just change files or projects here. And let's do that here. So I'm going to go in here and let's just place it and show it to you. So first off, it's a parametric cell. We use the tools that we have here in content to tell it what elements. And if you can use element selection, you can use name presentations. And so what it allows us to do is place something like that door, but to be able to place it, notice as I'm putting my cursor into the top view, do y'all see what it looks like in the top view? I got the door swing and I got the door itself, but it looks totally different in the isometric view as compared to the front view. So there, total difference on how it appears. It's one cell that contains these 3 different views as named presentations.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.